This is our Beyond WhiteSpa Single Patient Whitening Kit. The advantage of the WhiteSpa Whitening Kit is that we have a dual barrel syringe. The larger barrel contains our whitening gel. The smaller barrel contains our catalyst. So the catalyst, through this mixing tip, mixes it and brings the entire gel to the front of the syringe body. And what that allows it to do is come out very, very fresh, and you get very good results. It also reacts very strongly to the light. So that's an advantage over what you have with a single barrel whitening gel. The WhiteSpa kit also comes with Beyond Osmo Whitening Pen. This is for aftercare to maintain the shade of your teeth after treatment. You also have 4 of our finger wipes. The finger wipes are used to clean and dry your teeth before treatment, as well as to remove the gel in between sessions. We have our vitamin E swabs. These are used to moisturize and to protect your lips before treatment and in between sessions. We also have our instruction card. We have our Vita Shade Guide for before and after. We have our aftercare card, face protection cloth, and our bib. And our system uses the Beyond FlexiPro cheek retractor. The advantage of the Beyond FlexiPro is that it completely wraps your lips and retracts them away from your teeth so you can better target them with the gel.